This is Crypto Inspector, and I'm here to tell you the best crypto adoption news from 20th of April until 26th of April today. So we're going to jump into all the headlines in a couple of seconds. You'll get caught up right now. So let's go. Number one, Bitcoin surged to 79K, amidst ETF inflows, big ones. And I've seen actually BlackRock with 800 million, 900 million, if I'm not mistaken, recently invested in ETFs, and also a big USDT, which we're going to jump into that. And also we have crypto with AI agents, where Alchemy, we're going to go through that. They have an AI agent that will buy for you, trade for you crypto, and do it everything. I'm not talking about necessarily trading crypto as in, short trading. It can actually buy the crypto for you. So they simplify it. You get your AI agent and bam, get me that crypto, get me that. And then it's done without the knowledge of what is hash and all this. Also, we have Bitmain with big Ethereum investment, which is, promising for Ethereum for the long term. And also we've got Blockchain Capital is seeking 700 million for crypto funds. So that, you read all these long-term crypto fundamental news, and you feel awesome when it comes to crypto investment for long-term. Now, that's why I do them. I do them for me. I do them for you. Also, we got Elon Musk did not touch all this bear run his Bitcoin. That is a sign, right? I haven't touched them since years. And, when you understand it, you're like, okay, I want to get into it, not for the sake of, necessarily short term, but long term. And if you want to know how to get into it, by the way, I do offer a free crypto long-term strategy, which you can find that in the links. Go ahead in Instagram. You can find it on my YouTube. It's easy. Now we've got cut the red type. So we got Europe with two big news. They're really worried. The big ones like 39 financial giants are pushing Europe to get, to digitalize, to make euro crypto. The good news is that in 2027, cash will be start to get obsolete with the limitation of 10K. That is a good move. But come on, guys, Euro Tether already exists here. And US and other and globally, they're all into crypto for so long. And you're losing billions because of what? I want to learn how to control it. I've heard last time that she's worried because there was worried about one criminal case where if they do that, they're worried that it's going to get more into criminal. Well, no. If you look into cash, there's always going to be more corruption than it will have been even if you invented crypto. Because in crypto, if you make euro crypto, officially with Europe, you're going to lower crime dramatically. Do your own research. Check it. And also we have almost 80% of Japanese institutional investors are eyeing crypto by 2029. That is crazy bullish news. And it's a fact, Strategy overtakes BlackRock for the first time. Now that's a great achievement from Michael Saylor. And also we've got tax-free Bitcoin is back, in UK, because, in UK they have issues now with the tax and they're doing it with crypto. And that's why we see bullish, and we're going to see more bullish moves, signals in crypto. And also we've got crypto giant GSR launches its first ETF. More ETFs globally are getting launched as we speak every single week. And that is bullish, awesome news. Now let's go deep dive into one by one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, learn, and share. What I did for you every single week, I'll be doing a deep research on every single news outlet that I do. And as you see here, I did it. It did spend, how long? It did 9 minutes and 21 citation. And also you can see that in the end of the day, it does confirm that. Let's zoom into that. So here we have basically all these news are valid. All of the above links correspond to genuine news or analysis as of April 2026. We found each story in reputable outlets, CoinShare, Bloomberg, Cointelegraph, and none appears to be bogus. Each claim is backed by evidence, official data release service, because some people, they might listen to me and they're like, no way, this is true. And I'm going to keep saying this every single week until you realize it and you do it yourself. Now let's go into one by one news. And also let's zoom in so it's even better for you, so you can have a look into it. I think that is a good zoom. So here we have Bitcoin 79K in April 26, rally drive by ETF inflows. So we have how much? 5 billion USDT supply surge and eased geopolitical tensions, and also we've got because of the war. So that is big news, and it did made Bitcoin to go 13% in April bullish. And that's just the beginning, I'll link all those in the description so you can have a deep dive into it. That's a quick roundup in a couple of minutes so you can catch up. And by the way, I want to hear anything from your input. I'm glad to give you all the answers. So let's go into now. Let's zoom this a bit. And also we have crypto is built for AI agent, not humans. Well, it does make sense. They both come from a technology era. And also we have crypto matches how agent operate being borderless, continuous, fully digital. So basically, as I said, you don't need to learn if you don't want to get, if you don't have much time to learn about crypto and all that, just get into Alchemy. This is their website. And you can basically check, get your AI agent that will buy you the crypto. I guess simplified. I haven't tested it, but it's there. You've got your agent that does it for you with just simple prompts, and this is good, not bad. I wouldn't do it myself because I like to get into deep research, get my private wallet. And by the way, if you want to get into holding your own currency at your own responsibility, I do make videos. I started to make an open box, and as we're going, what is this? This is a device that generates an offline password and will always be offline. And every time you make your transaction, you're going to need an authentication from this device for your crypto. And no one holds your crypto except you. Those 12 numbers, which is your password, that holds your cryptography crypto. And yeah, in this video, I have the open box, and also I'm walking you through the buttons with this video. Now let's continue. We've got Bitcoin by 10,000 Ethereum for 23.9 million from Ethereum Foundation. Now the guy believes that in Ethereum, it's actually the second top, if not it's the second top on my portfolio, where it comes to future. Because Ethereum is actually, they have the smart contracts. You can build other cryptos from Ethereum, and also the infrastructure. In this episode, by the way, I do show you in Crypto Decoded in a nice, awesome, interactive way what is Ethereum and the top ones. And also we have basically he has a goal. He wants to accumulate 5% of the token supply. So we've got people like these that you're like, okay, they're always backing crypto and they will always be backing crypto, so you don't need to worry much about that. Coinbase backer Blockchain Capital hunts 700 million for new funds. So we've got big capitalists understanding the value of the new currency, and also they're basically raising 700 million for 2 new funds, obviously for the good ones. So we have there, has raised around 1 billion for crypto investment with digital asset giants such as Coinbase, Circle, Tether in its portfolio. So we have interesting here, bullish news for crypto. When you see millionaires, billionaires foreseeing the future and investing in crypto, I'm gonna leave this up to you, whether crypto is, something that you need to eye, not as only as an investment, but also it's becoming, the new rail of money. Elon Musk, Tesla reports unchanged Bitcoin holdings, books 173 million digital assets lost. So basically, he lost. Okay, Tesla, no changes on his Bitcoin holding, although he lost. Now, value lost 173 million on its digital assets as Bitcoin fell around 90,000 to roughly 68,000 over the course of Q1 2016. Now, what does that mean? That means he sees the future as I see the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the main ones, that it is the future and it's going to be bullish. You just need to hold, buy the dips as much as you can. And basically, if you don't do short trading, that's not up to me. I'm all about the long-term trading. So, cut the red tape. 39 financial giants. Now, this is a big red alert for Europe. Europe, they're urging to fast track the DLT rules, warning that delays could cause the region to fall behind. Now, this is quite interesting. So, what they are worried about is request changes include DLT transaction limits to 150 billion at least, removing licenses expiry. So I'm going to read this, and I'm going to read this also, which is a fact. European banks are at risk of losing customers to rival with better crypto tools. I'm not going to name the bank, but personally, and I've heard others alike, that they understood the value of crypto, where I literally closed a bank account. Why? Because they did not allow me to get my withdrawal because it was a crypto from a crypto company. Guys, trillion is in as we speak is in the crypto markets, and you're telling me it's not real or it's a scam? Come on, guys. How can you do that? I mean, look, you're losing customers. When will you understand? When all the banks will close? Look at the facts. This is not bullshit. This is facts. Digital a Board Stuttgart digital survey found that more than a third of surveyed investors in Germany, Italy, Spain, and France say they would consider switching banks for better crypto investment services with interest high highest in Spain. This is facts. We're talking about a proper survey from big countries like Germany, Italy, Spain, and France. Come on, guys, wake up. These are facts. Just give. And what I love about this, about a quarter of respondents already own digital assets, yet majority still feel poorly informed, view crypto as too complex, and see it as insufficient regulated. But that's the point here. Traditional banks retain a trust advantage over specialized platforms for crypto services, and many investors say clearer, such as Mika. So basically, what I wanted to say is, somewhere it was saying that leave it up to us. They need to, the leaders of Europe really need to not to micromanage this, because this is an old thing that is basically being obsolete, where micromanagement, it used to be something of the past. And as we speak here, like, what's happening, you'll see this, what I'm going to say, it's somewhere in the news. I can't find it right now, but the point is, they're saying that they need to delegate the whole part of this crypto for the people that are responsible to actually make a proper legislated digital euro. Because if Europe is going to keep on micromanage, oh, this is not good, this is not right, this is not good, you're never going to get there. It's too complex for you guys. You need to outsource the smart stuff for the smart people. You can micromanage lightly just to understand what's going on in simple words, but when it comes to technicality and deployment, leave it to the experts. This is how it is. And if something wrong, you can always, fix it. So just leave the delegates to the smart people. Delegate the whole crypto digital euro to the people that are managing it, and trust the process. This is how it goes. Now, almost 80% of Japan's institutional investors plan to buy crypto within 3 years, survey finds. So that is a bullish news in the next 3 years on crypto. So keep holding, buying the dips. We're talking about a lot of, Japan, 80% of Japan, Japan is big. When we're talking about Japan, we're talking about Toyota, we're talking about big brands, all the anime, Son Goku, all this stuff, these people, they have a lot of money that's going to get into it. And also, improving sentiment at Japan's relatively clear regulatory framework are encouraging institutions to treat digital assets as diversification tools rather than purely speculative bets. Yes, we know there was a lot of hacks in crypto. 70-80% of crypto is rubbish. But hey, there's people like me and big that are telling you that there's this 10% is the ruling technology that will stay and adapt globally. Also, we have here strategy overtakes BlackRock, IBIT in Bitcoin holdings. Now, I'm curious to see what BlackRock. Already, I seen a move. It was yesterday or before yesterday. I saw they did a 900 million on Bitcoin. Not sure if they're still there. Like, basically, strategy has 815,000 Bitcoin, and basically, BlackRock has 802,000. It's not a big gap. I think BlackRock investors might actually catch up. I'm curious to see that, but I love this debate about the Bitcoin and smart investments like that. Also, we have crypto giants GSR launches its first ETF to give investors an easy way to bet on the big three tokens. So we have another bank here, basically GSR. I'm not sure if it's a bank, but it's a crypto exchange traded fund that they want to be launching more ETFs. And talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now, these are great ETFs to get into if you don't want to get into complexity, but you want to get a piece of the pie. Now, that was it. And a crypto inspector is out.